Okay guys, let's try our program. First, we will create our text file. I already wrote the lines somewhere else, so I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, the lines are unordered. So let's save it. I'm going to save this in the same file that we have our program. In this case is the file server client. As you can see, here we have our program. So we need to name the file text.txt because that's the only name that our client will read. So let's save. Now our programs are already compiled, so I'm just going to execute them. So I'm going to execute the server. I already did this before. As you can see, I'm going to execute the server with the port. We need to provide the number of the port. I'm just going to use a random one. I'm going to use 51,000. As you can see, our server is not doing anything. Well, it's doing a lot of things, but we are just hearing. Okay, here is our text file. I'm going to close this. I'm going to open this again. As you can see, nothing changed. So now I'm going to execute our client. I already did this before, so I'm going just to run our client. We need to provide a local host and the port number that we provided to our server. This is our local host because we are running this just in one machine. So let's see if it works. Remember, we already wrote the text. This is the text. So now the only thing we have to do is run the client. Yep, it worked. As you can see, we have the response. I got your message here, so that means that everything worked fine. So let's see if everything worked. Output.txt is the text file that we are expecting to have the same content as this, but ordered. Yep. As you can see, it worked pretty fine. See? Unordered, ordered. And that's it. Thank you.